Okay, I just picked up this 1990 Ford Tempo. It's in relatively good shape for my daughter, but I noticed that the blinker on the right side is super slow, and I can't find any videos on how to change the flasher, so I figured I'd make a quick one. Napa sells this electronic flasher that's supposedly supposed to last longer than the other one. It was about 12 bucks, and I figured why not for my daughter, right? Right up under the left portion of the driver's side is the little fuse box. And right there is the flasher, which pretty much just needs to be, sorry, I'm doing this backwards, wiggled out. Come on. That's all there is to it. Now we'll see if I can put the other one in there. It is a little bit tight getting up in here. And being able to see it is pretty hard from this angle. But that looks like it. Let's see if it's actually working. You can see how much faster it's flashing. And both of them are working now.